In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the approximate location problem if Waze isn't showing your GPS correctly. We all rely on GPS services during our daily commutes, and it can be frustrating when they don't function as expected. So let's dive in and tackle this issue with some straightforward solutions. First, let's begin with some quick fixes you can try right away. One of the simplest things you can do is restart the Waze app and then give your phone a restart as well. This can often resolve minor glitches in one go. If your GPS isn't locking in, it might be due to being indoors. Try stepping outside or moving near a window because GPS signals are often obstructed when you're inside buildings, garages, or tunnels. Another trick to refresh your GPS is to toggle airplane mode on and off. This can help re-establish your connection to GPS and your network service. Now, let's ensure your location settings are configured correctly. On Android devices, navigate to Settings, then Location, and make sure it's turned on. You'll also want to check app permissions. Ensure Waze is set to either allow all the time or while using the app, and set your location mode to high accuracy. This uses GPS in combination with Wi-Fi and mobile networks for the best results. For iPhone users, go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, followed by Location Services. Make sure Location Services is on, tap on Waze, and select either while using the app or always. Also, enable the precise location setting. This ensures Waze can pin down exactly where you are, rather than just an approximate area. The next step involves calibrating your GPS. If you're using an Android device, open Google Maps and move your phone in a figure 8 motion a few times. iPhone users can do the same thing using the Compass app. This simple action helps improve the accuracy of your GPS by recalibrating its sensors. Once you've done this, head back to Waze to see if your location is now correctly identified. If you're still having trouble, try clearing the cache of the Waze app. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, then Waze, and choose Storage. From there, clear the cache to remove any temporary files that might be causing issues. For iPhone users, a similar process can be performed by offloading the Waze app. Navigate to Settings, General, iPhone Storage, find Waze, and select Offload App, then reinstall. Lastly, confirm that your network and battery settings aren't interfering with GPS. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if there's any improvement. It's also essential to disable any battery saver or data saver modes, as these can limit your phone's ability to refresh GPS data in real time. By following these steps, you should be able to find and fix the problem behind your GPS issues with Waze. If the problem persists, it might be worth checking for any pending updates to the Waze app, or, if necessary, reinstalling it entirely for a clean slate. I hope these tips help you get back on the road with confidence.